Stop scrolling. If you comment on this video, you get a medal. And trust me, by the end, you'll understand why this character deserves it. Look at this. This is Sprunki Medin, a bright red character with a tall, simple body and a very unusual head. It's not a face, it's a screen. On that screen, instead of normal expressions, you'll see things changing. Sometimes it shows calm, glowing eyes, and sometimes drums. Not drawings of drums, actual drum visuals. Like his head turns into music itself. He has small antenna-like sticks with round tips and a little shape on top that almost looks like a crown, like he's some kind of weird digital king. His arms are tiny, his body is minimal, but his presence feels loud. Because Medin is not just a character, he is sound. When I started sculpting him, I thought, okay, simple shape, easy build. Yeah, no. Because the moment you look at him, you realize the hard part isn't the body, it's the vibe. Medin feels like that one friend who doesn't talk much, but suddenly drops the craziest beat out of nowhere. Imagine sitting in silence, and then his screen lights up. Boom, boom, tss, boom. And now you're in a full concert without even moving. He doesn't need speakers. He is the speaker. And the funniest part? You never know what his screen will show next. Eyes? He's watching. Drums? He's performing. Something else? You might be in trouble. While sculpting, I kept thinking, this guy is basically a walking playlist. No headphones, no phone, just pure chaos energy in one tiny red body. And somehow, it works perfectly. Medin doesn't follow the rhythm follows him. So yeah, this is Sprunki Medin, part character, part music, part mystery. And if you made it this far, don't forget your medal.